the universal greeting. Welcome. Whether it's the crisp morning, the vibrant afternoon, the tranquil evening, or the serene night in your corner of the world, I'm genuinely excited to have you join us for today's installment of Start Here with Inspiration 365 on the Start Here with Jefferson YouTube channel. Start Here with Jefferson is your go-to destination for succinct insights and actionable tips. We're on a mission to motivate, inspire, and guide you towards a happier, healthier, and more fulfilled life. We aim to mend any fractures in your heart and liberate you from limiting thoughts and ideas, empowering you to seize control of your life and evolve into the person you were destined to be. I invite you to journey with me as we embark on this extraordinary path together. Let's unravel the possibilities, break free from constraints, and embrace the empowerment needed to shape the life you were meant to live.
Welcome to the Start Here with Inspiration 365.
The Start Here with Inspiration 365 playlist on our YouTube channel Start Here with Jefferson is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to find motivation and inspiration in their daily lives. By featuring a wide range of quotes from various sources, our playlist provides viewers with diverse insights and perspectives that can help them navigate life's challenges and pursue their goals with renewed vigor. What sets our playlist apart is the way we go beyond simply citing the quotes and taking the time to explain and teach with them. Each quote is accompanied by thoughtful commentary that unpacks its meaning and provides practical advice for applying its lessons to one's own life. By doing so, we help our viewers better understand the quotes and how they can use them to improve their lives. About Start Here with Jefferson.
Embark on your life's journey with Jefferson as your trusted guide. Much like an expansive voyage, life demands a mentor to navigate its twists and turns successfully. This is your starting point, and I am Jefferson, your seasoned guide through the remarkable adventure that awaits. Together, let's set forth on a path of growth, discovery, and fulfillment. Welcome, and let the journey begin.
Start here.
Start here. The odyssey of 1,000 miles commences with a single stride. What is essential to take that inaugural step on your journey? Let's explore the key elements needed to embark on this transformative expedition. This is your starting point. Every significant journey begins with that crucial first move. Are you ready to step into the adventure that awaits you?
The title for this episode.
The title for this week's Start Here with Inspiration 365 is Finding Inspiration in Nature.
About finding inspiration in nature.
Finding inspiration in nature invites you to explore the profound connection between you and the natural world. Nature has long been a wellspring of inspiration for poets, thinkers, and artists, offering solace, wisdom, and beauty. Spending time in nature can help inspire creativity, boost memory, and overcome creative blocks. According to a study done by Stanford University, spending time in nature can help you feel a sense of awe and as though time is expanding, which can help you find inspiration in your creative endeavors. Additionally, a study from the University of Michigan found that students' memories improved once they spent time in nature. If you're looking for inspiration, consider walking in a park, visiting a community garden, or simply looking at photos or paintings of beautiful landscapes. Remember, nature is the source of all true knowledge and can help you find the inspiration to achieve your goals.
Introducing this week's authors.
We have a fascinating lineup of authors for the week. Here's a brief preview of what you can expect from each. Ralph Waldo Emerson is known for his transcendentalist philosophy. Emerson's works often explore the relationship between humanity and nature. William Shakespeare. The bard's writings encompass a wide range of themes, from love and tragedy to the intricacies of the human condition. His verses might touch on the timeless elements of nature and its reflections on human experiences. Rachel Louise Carson. As a marine biologist and environmentalist, Carson's works, notably Silent Spring, laid the groundwork for the modern environmental movement. Anticipate reflections on the delicate balance of nature and the impact of human actions. Lao Tzu. An ancient Chinese philosopher and the author of the Tao Te Ching, Lao Tzu's wisdom often revolves around harmony with nature, simplicity, and the Tao, the way. Expect contemplative verses on the natural order. Vincent van Gogh. The renowned artist's letters often delve into his thoughts on art, life, and nature. I look forward to insights into how Van Gogh found inspiration in the beauty and vividness of the natural world. Albert Einstein. Beyond his contributions to physics, Einstein reflected on the universe's interconnectedness. You might encounter writings that explore the scientific beauty inherent in nature. Jane Goodall. A primatologist and ethologist, Goodall's work with chimpanzees transformed our understanding of animals. Expect reflections on the kinship between humans and the natural world. This week promises a rich exploration of nature, science, philosophy, and art through the lenses of these diverse and influential voices.
Today's subtitle.
The subtitle for today's Start Here with Inspiration 365 is Finding Inspiration in Nature. Part 5 of 7. Today's quotation.
Quote, "If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere." Unquote. Today's quotation is by Vincent van Gogh.
About the author of today's quote.
Vincent van Gogh, 1853 to 1890, was a Dutch post-impressionist painter. He is considered one of the most influential figures in the history of Western art. He is known for his expressive and emotive use of brilliant color and energetic application of impastoed paint. Van Gogh sold only one artwork during his lifetime, but after his death, he became one of the most recognized painters ever. Some of his most famous works include The Starry Night, Sunflowers, and Irises. The Van Gogh Museum in Amsterdam houses the most extensive collection of his works, including more than 200 paintings, 500 drawings, and 700 letters. His life and art continue to inspire people worldwide to this day. The Judgment.
Van Gogh's assertion, "If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere," might face critique if interpreted narrowly. Some argue that the universal accessibility of beauty is not always evident, especially in environments affected by ecological degradation or societal disparities.
The key.
The crux of Van Gogh's quote lies in the profound connection between love for nature and the ability to perceive beauty in unexpected places. It underscores the transformative power of genuine affection for the natural world, suggesting that a sincere love for nature enhances your capacity to discover beauty in the seemingly mundane.
The application.
Apply Van Gogh's wisdom by cultivating a deep appreciation for nature. By fostering a sincere love for the environment, you open yourself to finding beauty in unexpected corners, whether in urban landscapes, overlooked ecosystems, or everyday moments. This perspective shift enriches your daily life with a heightened sense of wonder.
The image.
Imagine the quote as a vibrant painting, each representing a facet of nature: urban scenes, wide landscapes, delicate flowers, or resilient weeds. The metaphorical canvas captures the essence of Van Gogh's message, portraying the diversity of beauty that blooms when you genuinely love and appreciate nature.
The potential reversal.
Reversing the quote suggests that without love for nature, beauty is elusive. This reversal prompts reflection on instances where one might find beauty without a professed love for the natural world. It challenges the idea that love for nature is the sole prerequisite for discovering beauty and encourages consideration of alternative perspectives.
The conclusion.
In conclusion, Van Gogh invites you to embrace a profound connection with nature, asserting that love for the environment expands your perception of beauty. While criticisms may arise regarding the universality of this connection, the enduring value lies in the transformative potential of a genuine love for nature, allowing you to discover beauty in the most unexpected places.
A heartfelt message from Jefferson: embrace your strength.
Hello, I'm Jefferson, and I am overjoyed to connect with you after our latest inspiring video. Today's message is unique because it addresses something many people pretend about or find challenging to discuss openly. Life is an unpredictable journey, and sometimes the storms can feel overwhelming. If you are going through a tough time, please remember this: you are stronger than you think. Life's storms are like chapters. They come and go, but pave the way for growth and renewal. In moments of darkness, it's crucial to believe in yourself. You are unique, and there is so much more to you than meets the eye. Challenges may seem like they will last forever, but they are temporary. Storms eventually pass, making way for the sun to shine again. The rain does not rain forever. A time will come when the sun will rise again after the rain. There is a time and a season for everything under the sun. You are not alone. Reach out to friends, family, or professionals who can provide support. You matter, and your presence in this world is significant. It's okay to ask for help. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. If you've been having suicidal thoughts, understand that you have all it takes to pull through this. Don't be afraid or ashamed to speak to someone about your feelings. Life is a precious gift, and you are a precious human being. You make sense, you are valuable, and the world needs you. Believe in the beauty of your dreams and the strength of your spirit. Life's journey is filled with ups and downs, and each challenge you face is an opportunity for growth. You have the power to overcome, to rise above, and to create a life that aligns with your dreams. Thank you for taking the time to reflect on these words. Your presence in the world makes a lot of sense to me. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to do so. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on notifications. We are here to inspire and uplift you on this journey. Remember, you are not alone. You have so much more ahead. Embrace your strength, believe in yourself, and keep moving forward. Until next time, take care of yourself and know you are valued and appreciated.